Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the microphone missing on your Android keyboard. So let's get started. So if you notice, or maybe if you open up the keyboard here, you're not seeing the microphone, and this is because it may have been turned off or disabled. In order to get it back, so open up the keyboard in any app. So for example, Message, you want to look for the gear icon right here to get to your keyboard setting. For example, this one is a Samsung keyboard. Similarly, you're going to see something on your keyboard as well. And when you do that, you're going to look for voice, pretty much. So voice input or something of that nature. So if you find it, you tap on it, and you're going to go ahead and make sure that it's selected to something instead of none. In our case, you can use the Samsung voice or the Google voice typing as well. Maybe the two of the options that you see. And once you turn it on, this time if we go back to our keyboard, now we can see that missing microphone is now there on our Android keyboard. And I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next one.